Hi, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Hi, my name is Bailey. Gonna do. I have the car crash into the camera. Okay, so.
Well, we got plenty of
Start parboiling some.
Okay, there we go. That's cool. Oh, whoa, that was close. Okay. Actually, not on the board. Never mind. Okay. So they're gonna be coming from over here, and then they're gonna shoot down now. Kiko, move. Green. Shoot. Ah! Where'd the green thing go?
Oh, here's your Starbucks card.
Thank
Your Starbucks card that you won at the party that you never win anything at.
you.
It's even, a perfect gift card for you.
Woohoo!
We both won gift cards at the holiday party.
Cool.
Ina got a $50 macaroni grill.
Ian?
Or, cheesecake factory.
Oh, you would so like that?
Perfect for her.
Daddy, you would have so liked that?
I know, I tried to
Okay, now I'm gonna do a different
go
car.
train, but she wouldn't go for it.
She wouldn't go for it.
Starbucks